Aloha and welcome to Accounting 201. I'm Kevin Kimball and I will be one of your instructors for this class. The other instructor will be Norm Nemro, an accounting professor at BYU Provo. We'll also have some tutors or graders who can help you with questions that you might have about the course, and you will see their contact information later on in this welcome module. Accounting is the language of business, and you'll hear Norm Nemro say the same thing. It basically says that when you're dealing with accounting and trying to understand how business is doing, you're going to use terms and terminology and forms and reports that come from the realm of accounting. And so if you want to be able to understand that and be able to interpret it in a way that will help you make better business decisions and better investment decisions and better lending decisions, you want to know accounting. Naturally, this is just an introductory course, but it certainly will give you a head start on this field of accounting. Whether you use it to become an accountant yourself or whether you use it to as a foundation as you move into other careers, whether that be law, whether that be an entrepreneur, whether that be a corporate manager, whether that be whatever you want to be, I think you'll find that understanding accounting will be a blessing to you in your personal as well as in your professional life. The course will be delivered primarily through the course website. Now, if you are off island taking this as an online course, the video material that teaches you accounting will be available through the internet. Now, those of you who are resident, we expect that you'll be purchasing the accounting DVD that we have all our lessons on, and you'll notice that those are quite high quality, and we're going to make sure that you have those available to you so that you can learn the material that you need for this class. I hope that you see the logic in accounting. One of the things that I really enjoyed about accounting is that it made a lot of sense to me. As I sat down and thought about what would be logical in a given situation, I noticed that the rules in accounting kind of matched what I personally would have thought the rules should be. And I really, really like that logic. One thing I also noticed is that to learn accounting takes a little bit of practice. You might sit in a meeting and it makes a whole lot of sense as to what's being said. You're sitting in the classroom, you're listening to Norm Nemro, and it makes a whole lot of sense to you. But until you get down and really practice it, you don't own that concept. It may make sense to you, but can you really do it? I kind of liken that to any given sport. Let's say you want to learn how to surf, for example. You know, we're in Hawaii, so maybe you want to learn how to surf. Well, I can get you on the beach and I can show you, I can explain it, and I can demonstrate it, and it can make a lot of sense to you as to what you should do. But until you get out on that board and you paddle around and you set up for that wave and you pop yourself up, you really don't own it yet. You don't own the concept. And so accounting is a similar type of idea, is that the logic will be there. I guarantee there will be a lot of logic there that you can rely on. But in order for you to really own that concept and be able to apply it in your own life and be able to apply it in business settings, you need to practice. And so please don't underestimate the value of practice. I think you'll find that your skills and abilities will grow tremendously if you'll take the time to practice these materials. So with that in mind, aloha. I hope that this is a great start for you. Just work through these learning modules from top to bottom. Here we're in the welcome module. There's a few more things that you'll need to do to finish up this welcome module, but please go through them, make sure that you finish everything off, and I think you'll have a good start on the course. Take care and aloha.